room na jorsa so ani ta khalore round so la ya nga khalore ende Manali le hotel ne zubuna desha ya same jo ya. So I have a reason behind that. Adi vlog de around so nge room da this view enjoy chi le ke sai. Kalda Manali le luxurious hotel na so je denyo ma ra ke sa.
Never.
Ende zubuna denyo me khala da nima phane sarlangan duraya di hotel de takpa thongo diyo zikbu diyo ende konyo mi shooting jinge mangje ende dewa tab dewa re mi dis nyak step do dewa lan ya uni reshke yo zikbu dunna kesa yo zikbu de pet to nyumbo resh and tanda kesa how was the feeling how are you feeling cute say thanks to me you are here because of me
사진이? 많이 나왔어.
So, tanga tanda ngayon this fresh up chura and this also rest in there. So chulo lyo and tanda ngi isi tang dalay made tang so. Yeah, so we're gonna rest for a while. 자, 다링 건당 아주 되나데래. 아샤포리 village la. Sounds they there the law. We're gonna stay here. Look at the view. 아주 잘하긴 저들이 보여. 정말 저리. Welcome to Waitara's room, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So close the door. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you is the washroom. Nice. So we have shower here, and this thing. ये एंट्री में बहुत कम होता है. ये इन रूम तो नौ दे और क्यों रुष्टु आ? तो मशीन आ तो इन्हें दियो. तो व्यू इन्हें मनाली ला इन्हें ना दिल्ली में. मनाली ला यहाँ इन्हें दिल्ली में यार. गाइस तो हम लोग दिल्ली में बैठते हैं लेकिन मनाली में कभी ऐसे होटल में नहीं बैठे हैं like जहाँ पे ये सब चीजें मिलती हो like face wash. सामा दो दिलाया. The hair dryer the pour. Everything I love it and there's a closet. I'm gonna unpack my stuff here. And there's this coffee and tea part, and I love this mirror. We're gonna take a lot of mirror selfies. So this is our bed. Kisang and me gonna sleep together in here. This is our TV, which हम लोग नहीं देखने वाले. And this is the view. But this is cute. Yeah. Okay, this is the view. Let me take you out. Come on. Oh my god. I always wanted to stay here, you know. Guys, जब भी हम लोग ना मनाली से यहाँ से आते थे, तब हम लोग ये वाला होटल देखते थे. Guys, ये होटल बहुत ही मतलब 10 out of 10. So we always wanted to stay here, and thankfully by the grace of God and my talent. Look at the fucking view. So we are at Chopstick, and this is chili wings, chow mein, cucumber salad, chicken, chili chicken, fried rice, tingmo, and there's my pepe. Let's dig in. Today on the dinner, say hi.
Hi.
My new friend.
Yes. Two goddesses. Taura and Himani.
And this is the second day, and for breakfast we have ordered paranta for Kesang. Paranta with some curd, and for me I have ordered toast, chicken sausages, and ये क्या है? Oh yeah, this is achar, and this is curd, and this is my scrambled sausages, and my favorite fruit salad. This is toast, and I'm preparing for coffee. वहाँ पे मेरा coffee बन रहा है guys. That's it, and we're gonna have breakfast.
Korea 전부 경애들이래요. 고비 뭄바이 내려결. He's from Mumbai.
She looks gorgeous. I look at her. Wow. From Mumbai. Yeah.
Voila. So beautiful. Beautiful. यहाँ का रिसोर्ट का जिम है। माँ तो अपनी सारी फ्रस्ट्रेशन यहाँ निकाल दो, ठीक है? And my favorite, my dumbbells are here. And there's this treadmill. सारी चीजें हैं. Wow. Gonna work out. I'm gonna work out. 저기 먼저 오지 런치에 아니 뭐야 베지테리언라 어제 이제 모셔서 파스타 마저 달았어요. 이렇게 상황이 주들이 디셔리. 하나? 어.
그러면 이제 수소 왼쪽은 네가 간다. 메리 가시대 야가다 보다. 내가
गाइस मुझे ये खेलना नहीं आता है, बस ऐसे खाली मारना आता है, तो मैं किसी भी बॉल पे मार लेती हूँ बिना any rules and regulations के. So fuck, who cares about the rule, man? Rules are meant to be broken, you know? So fuck it, man. I'm gonna hit it. Whoa! Whoa! Noise! Yes, baby. Sorry. Okay, I'll take that. Come on. Too slow, bro. Wow. You see that?
या एक स्पीकर था
इसके अंदर है.
इसके अंदर
Let's go. Yay. Tadi yung bunda kalau ni
Don't let you just think you're good.